is an exoplanet? An exoplanet is any planet beyond our solar system that orbits other stars. However, there are also free-floating exoplanets that orbit... This ain't about bravery. It's about winning chips. It's that feeling you get when you know exactly what winning is. I got that snake in me. Venom in the rim, my veins now. I got that snake in me. Black mamba in the game now. This ain't about bravery. It's about winning chips. It's that feeling you get when you know exactly what winning is. Mamba mentality. I got that high hand, no one challenged me. Jumped out of that hot pan into the fire. I've been through the wire, but nothing can damage me. Nothing can damage me. No one can challenge my rep, but they wanna challenge the best. So I'm